I was doing some sonic testing on this beautiful 30-year-old Swiss spruce top this morning and noticed a couple of dents that I'm going to try and get out of there. So I wanted to walk you guys through how I do that. So first of all, let's see if I can show you what they look like. They're always hard to get to show up on camera. There we go. Right there. There's two small dents. This top was likely laid down on top of something right there, so we're going to try to get those out of there. The first thing I do is get my heat gun lightly clamped into a vise so I can have at least one hand free, bottle of water, and a metal spatula of your choice. I use this one because it's got a few different shapes on it. It does have this nice fine tip here, and it's pretty thick. It holds heat well. That's why I use this one. Heating up the spatula here. It does not need to be glowing red hot. All it has to be is hot enough so that when you touch it to your wet rag, it will force some steam to get pushed into the top a little bit. Put that rag on the top. And hopefully you can pinpoint exactly where that is. If the fibers are broken, you can't get all of it, and it will still be a little evident, but hopefully you can get most of it out. A lot of times if the fibers aren't broken and it's just a dent, without those surface fibers being broken, you can pretty much restore it to almost like it was nothing that happened to it. All right, my steam's running out. I'm going to reheat this on the heat gun, and you can do this as many cycles as you want to get that back to where you need it. We're getting pretty close. Looks like the fibers were broken on that, so I might not be able to get it much further, but we'll see. Since we steamed quite a bit of it out, I'm going to hit this with water again. Hopefully you'll be able to hear the steam on this one. This is where it was. So the first little dent is completely gone. And the second one, it looks like the fibers were broken on the surface, but I got it to raise up. So now all we're really seeing is the broken fiber, which there's not much we can do. And these haven't been thicknessed yet. So I would guess that we're going to be able to get past those broken fibers into clean wood by the time we thickness this. Just do that as many cycles as you need to, and you should be able to get most small dents out, and these broken fibers, you're just going to have to sand past them or live with them because we can't restore that. And spruce is not something that we want to try to do any filling on because that's going to show up like crazy under the finish, and we definitely don't need that. In hardwoods, you can probably get away with a fill or a CA repair, but most of the time it's not necessary if you can steam this out correctly. Now that it's completely dry, it's really hard to see, and I think we are going to have some success getting that sanded out. There's not much left there. That's all I've got for this one. I saw the dents as an opportunity to show you guys my process in steaming those out. And honestly, it's one of those techniques that once you know it, you'll use it all the time. And as always, thanks for following along. And if this helped you out, drop a like, and I will see you in the next one.